Hello students, today we are going to learn data visualization. Data visualization basically refer to the graphical or visual representation of information and data using visual elements like your graph, chart. Graph and charts are very effective tools for data visualization. For data visualization in Python, we use matplotlib library. First I will open my Spider. Launch. Okay, this is the simple program. Here I import matplotlib. Okay, that's the library that provide different interface and functionality for 2D graphics. It provides both a very quick way to visualize data from Python and publication quality. And this matplotlib pyplot is a collection of methods within matplotlib. Okay, that's the one interface, and we declare this statement as a PLT or whatever name you want you can give here. I created here two lists, exam and percentage. After that we put here, we call here plot function. In that method we pass this exam and percentage. Okay, so first will come on the X and second comes on the Y, and plt.show to display our graph. Now run this. Okay, that's our graph display here. Okay, this is the line graph, simple. Okay, now this is our x-axis and that's our y-axis. Okay, and the value here it shows in this format. Okay, data points are called marker here. Okay, now in the x-axis or y-axis, if you want to give any label, then we can use here label function, x label and y label. Like here plt.x label exam name, so exam name display here, and on the y label I am giving marks, so marks display here. Sometimes we require to change the size of this graph that display here. Okay, just closing this window. Okay, so for that purpose we can use here that figure function, plt.figure. Inside the brackets fixed size you have to give here what you want, how x and y. Okay, I am giving here 5, so check the difference. Okay, that's display here and that was the previous output. Okay, so it reduced the width. Now here suppose I am giving 10 on the place of 10, 5, 10. Okay, now run. Look here, so it's white, is increase the size, and that was our previous. Okay, now on the place of this I am giving here 10. Now run this, so in the height it's increased. Okay, that's the use of this figure method. I am setting here 5, so this is our output. Okay, here if suppose you want to display the greet, for that purpose you can give here greet function, inside the bracket give true. Now run this. Okay, so your greet will display here. Always remember that here T is capital for true. If you write here a small, okay, so it shows the error here. Okay, that symbol, and when you run, then it display your error message. So T must be capital and run. Okay, if suppose you want to show 2 lines here or 3 lines here, then you can add here your list. Like suppose I want to display this is your my student 1 marks and student 2 marks. Okay, I'm changing here S1. Now S2 student getting 60, 75, 66 or 50, 72. Okay, this is student 2 and display here plt dot plot. My x-axis is common. Okay, now that S2. Now save and run. Okay, these 2 lines display here. If you want to change the color of this line, suppose second I want to display in the red, so give here third argument your color name, that's R I'm giving here, so it's comes in the red color. Okay, you can give M for magenta, Y for yellow, B for blue, G for green. Okay, that color code you can use here. And if you want to increase the width of this line, then you can use here line width. Okay, suppose here I want to give the third argument. I'm not changing the color, I'm just directly giving line width is equal to 5. Okay, now see what will come. Look here, the thickness of this line. Okay, that increase in the red. If I want, then I can give here in the and this line also, so that thickness also increase. Okay, so you can pass this argument in the plot function. One more argument we can give here, the line style, in which style you want to display your this line. I want to display suppose here in the dash format, line style is equal to, we can give here dashed. Okay, now see here, that's the output. Okay, by default it's come in the solid format. If suppose I want to display this line also in the dotted format, not on the dash, then we can give here line style is equal to dotted. Okay, now save and run. Look here, that comes in the dotted format. Okay, so either solid, dash, dotted, dash dot. Okay, these are the options that we can give in line style. Okay, solid, dash, dotted and dash dot. Now one more thing, that's here no marker display at this time. Okay, suppose I am giving this, changing this value on the place of this, we can go on 55. Now look here, in the midterm that's a 55 mark, but there is no marker. I am changing this line also. Line style must be solid, so it look good, and the style is 2. Okay, it's look good. Now I want to display here marker. Where are my points? So On this I can use RD, R for red color and D for diamond marker. Now look here, that's D. Okay, now change this, and here I am using D on the dotted and this. Look here, with the dotted, that's giving points. Okay, this line width I am giving 2 here. Let's look good. Easily you can recognize your marker. Okay, either you may give here or you may type separately one attribute marker equal to D. Okay, like red comma marker is equal to D you can give. Okay, and run, then save and run. Now you got the same output. Okay, there are different types of marker you can use in your graph, like your comma, O, plus, X, D, capital D, small d. That's the difference between this. Okay, like here if I am using small d on the place of this, so it display in this format, the size is reduced. Okay, and on the place of this, if I am using plus, so it's plus symbol display here. Look here, that plus symbol. Okay, so what marker you want you can use here. I'm using capital D, that is look good. And yes, remember one thing, if suppose you are not giving here marker, just like our previous example we wrote that only points display, so I'm writing here RD and I'm not giving this line style or that. Okay, I'm not giving line style, especially line style, so it display only the points. Okay, like this, just like our previous example. Okay, and if you are writing marker here and run, it display line. Okay, if you are giving marker equal to D, and if you merge this code with your color code, so only points will display. In that case you have to display here your line style, either dotted or solid, whatever you want. Okay, so it display your line also. Sorry, I forgot here comma. Okay, so this is our line graph. Now the next we will continue bar graph.